Hello, welcome back to Prima Facie. This is James. Right now we're going to take a more of an in-depth view of how to connect your Prima account to your Clio account. So to do that, let's begin by logging in into Prima. And actually, while we're doing that, let's also take a look in this other tab here. You can see that I'm logged into the law office account here. I've pulled up a contact, but just be logged in a different tab for simplicity purposes. Inside of Prima, you're going to go to the administrator panel. From there, you'll click on Clio. And here you have this Clio Connect logo. Click that. When you click that, it's going to run you through the authorization here, through the Clio API. Yes, we want to allow access. So now it logs you out of Prima, and you just need to log in again. And you can see that we're logged in. Now you've got this icon, this Clio icon up here. Now, when you log in, you should see that white in color. If you ever see it red, all you have to do is log out and log back in, and it'll be white. All right. When it's red, it indicates that there's an issue between Prima communicating with the Clio API. So it's very important that you always make sure that's white. Otherwise, you run the risk of creating contacts or cases inside of Prima or doing things that don't transfer over to Clio. And it could affect your search capability as well. So we've connected to Clio. The next step, let's go back to our administrator panel. You may have some custom fields in Clio that you want to bring into Prima. Okay, and if you do, like let's say you've been collecting in an immigration context, maybe the alien number or social security number or something like that. To import those custom fields all at once, click on the Import Custom Fields button here. And you're going to see custom fields that you have in Clio. And it's going to show you which ones you can import into Prima. And you can click Import All to do that. Now I've already done it. So they already show up under the Custom Fields tab here. Okay, so it allows you to match certain of your custom fields in Clio with those fields in Prima. All right. And you would do that just by, for example, if you're looking at marriage date, go to the drop-down menu here. This is the field in Clio. The field in Prima you would match it to would be over here. So here we go, marriage date. Those are matched now. Okay. If you wanted to add a custom field just inside of Prima as well, you can do that from here. But since we're talking about connecting your account to Clio, that's really all the setup that there is connecting the account and then matching your custom fields if you have any that you want to match. Now, when I'm connected to Clio, important to remember that the way you bring in a contact or a case or a matter, right, from Clio is through the search box here. And we'll create another video that shows you a little bit about importing a contact and a case. But the important thing to know is now we have successfully connected our account to Clio, everything through the administrator panel, Clio tab, successfully connected. Last point of order, if you're just at the very basic level of subscription for Clio, this won't work. You need to be subscribed at least in the boutique level for Clio. That's where they enable integrations and things. So make sure you have the appropriate licensing there as well. All right, and that's how easy it is to connect your Prima account to Clio.